Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this session, like in last session, we had explained about what is RAG and all. If you have not watched that session, just go and watch this session, first session where I have explained about RAG and where we can use the RAG techniques and all. Okay. So in this session, we are going to continue the same and let's use some kind of let's follow like one use case and we'll in this complete series we'll going to I'm going to create one UI interface. Okay, in the UI interface, user can upload their document and they can ask the question related to that document, whatever they have uploaded to the particular UI interface. Okay, and the same use case because similar use case in many business like from many business are asking and we are doing it in the normally. Okay, so that you can cover one use case as well over here in the live. So for that, let me start with a basic thing. Okay, we'll create a folder here and I'll put rag. Okay, rag. This is the folder I have created here under generative AI. And in this rag, first of all, I will create one py file, rag, we can say rag session 1 py. Okay. So this is, I have created a py, means Python scripting over here, Python file, and let's write our code over here. Okay. So first of all, as I mentioned to you, like we have to create a UI interface. And in that UI interface, we are going to ask user just upload your document and then ask your question related to that document. Okay. So this is our use case, whole use case. Okay. So for that, for creating any UI interface, suppose you are doing a POC work, okay, in your organization. So for that, you can use a Streamlit app, okay, Streamlit library you can use. And if you have any kind of doubt over here, like how to use it, then I already recorded a Hindi tutorial, and it's already uploaded over here. Just go and watch these recordings. And otherwise, I'm going to explain in this series. Okay, so as I mentioned, for POC you can use a Streamlit library for creating any application. And suppose you are going to deploy your code into the production, means for many user are going to ask going to use those application, then I would suggest do not use Streamlit. You can use other thing like you have a React.js, you have Angular and all, so that you can use for creating a user interface application. Okay, but as we are doing we are in POC phase, right? If you're doing a POC phase and if you're learning something from basic, then I would suggest just go with a Streamlit app. Okay, so over here for a Streamlit app, we have a documentation as well. You just go to the Google, and in the Google you just search Streamlit documentation. Okay, this is the official site. This is the official site from where you can learn how to use a Streamlit library in your Python. Okay, so it's an open source Python framework, and you can use this one for creating a application. Okay, so in my use case, I am going to use first of all the interface. First of all, right, let me do that. And for that, what is your first step to use this Streamlit? You have to just install this Streamlit, uh, right? Install this in Streamlit in your terminal. So just go to your terminal. I just put this command pip install Streamlit and just hit enter. Okay. Suppose Streamlit is already installed in your system, then it will say it will not install again. As in my system, it's already installed. If it is not installed, then it will install that Streamlit. Okay. Yeah, it is installed here. It is already installed, so that is why very it took 1 or 2 seconds to just complete this execution. Okay, now the next step is you have to write here. You have to import Streamlit, sorry. Okay, as st you have to write this code. And why we are writing this as a st, just we are creating alias name of a Streamlit, and this because Streamlit are having many functions. Suppose if you want to put some kind of button, text box, text area, right? These all are the function from Streamlit. If you want to use it, in that case you can't write in a Streamlit dot function, right? So this will be very long thing, so that is why I have created a as st. We are going to use for using any kind of function from this Streamlit. Okay, So now next step is I want to show on that once the application will be open. So in that application, I just want to put some kind of title. So for title, just use the alias name of a Streamlit st dot and just use title. Okay. You can see there's a many things are coming. There's a many functions of a Streamlit you can which you can use as per your need. Okay, you can explore this um, link means documentation. Whatever you want to add into your application now, you just go and search over here. It will give you everything. Suppose I want to add title, just go and search here. You can see here it is coming. Just click on that and just see that it will give you that syntax as well. It is saying just use this one. This is the title, right? So you can copy it from here as well. Okay, and just go and paste here. Otherwise you can just write down directly. Okay, welcome rag chat bot. Okay, because that use case which I have explained you, that is a rack chatbot, means business anybody is going to upload their document and they want to do a chat with that document, right? They are going to ask question to the chatbot, whatever document they have uploaded. So what chatbot will do, it will fetch those information and just showcase that response over the screen. Okay, so let's see, let's execute this one. Okay, so running any Streamlit app, you we have a different way to run the any Streamlit app, and you have to write in terminal Streamlit run, and that. But so see, right now we are in generative AI folder, right? So but your application but your Python script is inside rag folder, right? Which is, and rag folder is inside generative AI folder, right? So what you have to do, you have to go inside rag, right? Rag folder, then only you can run that, trigger that rag session 1.py, correct? So going inside the folder, you have to just write cd and that folder name rag, just press tab, hit enter. You can see now, now your folder location is showing generative AI and then rag. Now you can execute your py file. So you have to write streamlit run rag. Okay, and just hit enter. Now it will generate one URL, okay, localhost URL, which you can use, or even it is going to automatically display. Okay, it is automatically going to display here. Okay, so you can see here whatever title I have given, we are able to see here, right? So if you want to make any changes there also, you can make the changes. If you want to add any kind of emoji starting at, right, you can do that as well. Okay, so let's go back, and then what I have to do, I want to upload a document file, right? I want to upload a document file. But before that, you just see here this application name over here in the title here. Okay, at the top, it is saying Streamlit, which is not looking good, right? As you can see, the other application, their name is showing, right? Similar way, even that particular logo is also coming. So that logo and the name also you can just change. And how you can change that? We do have a function available into the Streamlit. Just go back to the Streamlit and just search for set page config. Okay, and by using this function from Streamlit, you can just set this value. Okay, and even you can just set this logo as well. Okay, just go downside and just see that. Okay, see, I am why I'm explaining you this documentation, so that you can you should aware, if you have to use Streamlit, then just directly go to this documentation, whatever is your need, right? Whatever component you want to add to your application, just go and search over here. You will get that logic. You can just copy paste as well. Okay, so let me copy this one from here. Okay, let me copy this from here, and I'll go here into my code, and I'll write down here downside. Okay, just change your app name. I will mention rag app. Okay, and then come back here. So see, in the case of a Streamlit application, once we'll run this Streamlit Python file, right? No need to read it again and again. Okay, you can see it is running. So in here you can make the changes, and you can see that the same changes will reflect over here on the screen. Only what you need to do, you just need to click on always rerun. That's all. So automatically it will deploy. So without rerunning into the terminal, automatically it will display over here. And now you can see here rag app, it is changed to that name rag app, and also it is changed to the change that logo as well, correct? So this is how you can change it by using the Streamlit application. Okay, so similarly, as I mentioned, whatever component you want to add to this page, uh, you need to just search that component name over here. Okay, and the code will be present. You can use that code and add into your VS code. Okay, so in this session, that is all. Like I have explained about the Streamlit app, how you can use it, what is the documentation. If you have to use any component, then how you can search on that configuration, that documentation site, and then copy paste over here and just see that whether it is reflecting or not. In the upcoming session, I'm going to explain you about how, if business wants to upload any document, how we can give that option here in this particular application, uh, because we have to provide a section where user can come and upload their document, right? So that section also we are going to add over here. So in upcoming session, I'm going to explain you that only. And if you are learning something from my session, just like and subscribe my channel so that I can record a session on new topics, and I can upload here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in next session. Thank you so much. Bye.